Mathematics Form 3, Chapter 7, Plants and Elevations. Okay, do you see my screen? Sorry, do you see my camera? Before we
Yes.
already done this. Okay, now shall we have another example to do plants? Let's do this time. Okay, any objection? Okay, let's do this. This time a little quicker because you know what you need to prepare your paper with. Here it is. So we begin with a piece of paper, A4 paper, A3 paper, whatever paper size that you want, doesn't matter. Now, in order to get y and x axis in the middle, this is when we fold the paper. We meet both end to end. Okay, you need to learn how to fold.
Muka surat berapa cikgu?
Page 184. Okay, like this. Vertical axis, this time horizontal axis. Okay, doing this activity we feel relaxed, you know. I like this activity very much. I like this chapter plants because it involves more drawing. I like drawing. Do you like drawing, Madiha? And the other. Okay, so now here we have a shadow of the axis. Okay, darken it with pencil so we will see it clearly. Okay, vertical axis and y axis. This is when you need a long ruler, a long plastic transparent ruler. It's what you're supposed to have. So here it is. I got mine. Do you got yours?
Yes.
And now you yeah, after you made this, then you know what you're supposed to do. We will have a little gap 1 centimeter away from the axis. Okay, you're going to the same I told you how to construct the guideline, which is very straight. I'm going to mark both end, up and down and left and right equally 1 centimeter. Okay, after you have both dot points, then you can construct a light line. Okay, just like that. Do the same on 4 sides. Okay, left, right, up and down. Okay, on this side too. At the end of the paper, almost at the end of the paper, we're going to have 1 centimeter below and 1 centimeter up, like that. Okay, this is a good idea to have a straight line. We cannot make a straight line out of only one point. So this when we come with the idea to mark points, both points, before we able to have lines which is perpendicular or is a straight line. Okay, so I have mine. Okay, this time which method that we supposed to use, method number 1 or method number 2, depend on question. So in this case, okay, this case, y they mention to be on the left side. It's like we're looking on the left side toward the object. Okay, before right side, but this time y is on left side. So this is when we need the method number 2, which is the reflector here, line reflector here, being on quadrant number 4. Quadrant number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we're going to have this reflector 45 degree. You know the how do we supposed to get that? So here is my quadrant number 4. Is where I'm going to construct the reflector. Okay, you can change the, you can rotate to suit your what, to comfort your work lah, to make comfort your work. Okay,
Cikgu,
ya,
kan dekat kertas graf kan dia ada petak-petak tu kan?
ya betul.
Kalau garis ikut jumlah petak yang sama,
Betul.
Boleh
timing, ya boleh.
Okay.
Ya, kalau pakai graf tu, maka kamu telah terbantukan dengan kotak-kotak tu. Kirakan kotak sama belah atas dan belah bawah, maka kamu mendapat nisbah yang sama, lalu membahagikan 45 darjah dengan tepat. Okay, so I got 2 points. Okay, I got 2 points too. I put the tip of my pencil on the point up there, and I adjust I bring close my ruler to the tip of the pencil, and also the origin of both axes. Okay, make sure you hold your pencil straight. Okay, if you're really convinced enough, then you can darken your reflector like that. Now return it to its original position. quadrant number 4. Okay, so this is the basic setup for the plans. Okay, now let's begin. Remember, we got 3 quadrant left, and what we should fill in those 3 quadrant. The first one here on below and on the other side of the reflectant is Z. Z, X, Y. Before Z, X, Y. But this time follow clockwise Z, X, Y. So the first view, we look downward on the object is in this side. Okay, so we going to need all the dimension. The idea is the same. We're going to, before we draw the image, let's have all the dimension, let's have all the guidelines, shall we, of every point. That's the idea. It will get you to work more faster if you got all the lines already. So we look downward like that, and we will have this this vertex here is the vertex of C here, correct? The vertex of C here. So hope that you could be able to imagine that. And K and C is KLC is on the same point. Now K to H is 5 centimeter. Okay, K to H somewhere down there is 5 centimeter. And then K to D as C to D. How many centimeters? 7 centimeter.
7.
Okay, so we're going to mark 7 centimeter to the left and 5 centimeter to the right. Okay, let's do that. Okay, 7 centimeter to the left. Have you ever heard the song? 7 centimeter. Here it is, 7 centimeter. Oh yeah, remember that. We're not going to mark it there. We're going to mark it on the end of the paper like that.
Ya, cikgu tak nampak.
Yalah. 7 centimeter. Make sure can you see the gap there? Okay, the gap there is on the same size. So we'll have we place the ruler in straight line. Okay, use this to assist how do you timing your ruler, your position. So we will have a straight line. Okay, there it is, 7 centimeter. Now mark a point there. And guess what? We also need okay, C to D is 7 centimeter, as B to A. Now we also need to mark this K to J. K to J here is 4 centimeter. Okay, again, this time we get 4 centimeter. Okay, I got mine. And what is yours? Okay, also the same. 7 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Okay, there it is. Now connect both points up and down with a what? A light line, just like that. Just only a shadow of line. Okay. Okay. K to H as C to B, it takes 5 centimeter downward, 5 centimeter. You can rotate to suit your okay. The same, we need 5 centimeter up and 5 centimeter below. Okay, and 5 centimeter below. Okay. So here it is. I got all the dimension on quadrant number 3. For Z viewing direction. Here is 4 centimeter. Here is 7 centimeter. Down there is 5 centimeter. Other than that, there's nothing more. Okay. And you know what? Let's do the dimension for quadrant number 2 up there, which belong to X. Okay, front view of object. Okay, guess what? Since we have the what the dimension of width, so we need it no more, because we take the dimension from below, quadrant below. Okay, so the width is preserved, but all we need to add is only the height. The height B to G here is 3 centimeter and G to H is 3 centimeter. Okay, we going to add some more dimension. That is the height only. We no need the dimension of width. So the same thing we're going to do. We're not going to mark the 3 and 6 on this in the middle here. We're going to have the dimension on the end of the paper, below and left side and right side. Okay, here it is, 3 and 6. Remember that, 3 and 6. Okay, here it is, 3 and 6. Very beautiful. We're going to do the same on the right side. Three and 6. Okay, connect both points with light lines. and so does this side, these three. Okay, I done mark all the dimension in quadrant 2 x direction. Now let's have dimension for quadrant number 1 that is on y direction. Okay, y direction. Yeah, actually we have all the dimension. Okay, this one we can reflect this line back to up there. Oh, sorry. And so does this. We already reflect up there. But guess what? If we reflect only this point, here comes the problem. We don't know how to adjust the ruler because we only depend on one point only. So here comes the problem. A slight move to the left or to the right will make the line is not perpendicular to the axis. Is when you will get the vertex, all the vertex will not be connected at the same point. And that is the problem of doing this. They're supposed to teach you this, but you know what? I know the problem that will come if you do this. You will have not a straight line. So this is when I suggest you to do the same lah. You're going to have this length the same. Okay, you're going to mark up and down. So in this case here we have D to A is 5 centimeter. The only dimension that we need, 5 centimeter. So we going to have 5 centimeter up and down. So down here is 5 centimeter. Okay, up here is also 5 centimeter. Okay, believe it or not, if we connect both points here, absolutely it kind of reflected from this reflector. Soon you'll see. Okay, see, this line here, it is like it reflected from this line on this reflector line. Okay, and now we have enough. We got all the dimension, and all that is left for us is to darken the line according to the object. So let's darken this side. Okay, remember to place your ruler parallel to the line, the guideline that we just made. Okay, like that. Every time you place your ruler, make sure you adjust the position of the ruler, so you will have a straight line as the guideline that we have before. Make sure to hold the pen straight, always straight upwards like this. Okay. Okay, like that. Okay, on the upper side is front view, front view, so it's supposed to look like this, okay, it's supposed to look like this. Okay, and A to F is incline. So we have guideline. I believe you can imagine, very easy, out of the shape. Okay. Okay, this A to F here is inclined. Okay. So you know what? It's supposed to have no line FG, but we will have this line EF, but it's supposed not to have this line FG, but because the question is the situation is they combine two things. They combine this block here up there and block prism down there. Is why we can see the cut G to F. So the idea is we need to put this cut to make the line, to show the line, to show that they coming from separated object. Okay. If this is only one object, means we don't have this line GF here. We don't have to draw this line. But since this is the combination of two things, is when we kind of see the cut in the middle. So here we need to also present the cut. Okay, hold straight your pencil and your ruler. Okay, ta-da! See, I told you it is very simple. It is very mind relaxing if you do this. Okay, I like it very much. And this time we look on Y direction. How will it going to look like? Okay, we know, we can see the shadow already, the shadow of the shape. Okay. There you go. Finally. Hey, we 11, 10, 12, 10, huh? We finished. Okay, we got another time. Maybe we can proceed to next drawing. Huh? So here it is. Do you got just like mine?
Yes.
Simple. Now this time, still it's not. We need to fill the detail of points. So this is C, KLC. Okay, KLC. Okay, you need to put all the dimension there, and down here is HGB. Okay, in the middle here is JE. Here is IF. Okay, here is D, only D. Here is only A. Now we're going to do the same on this side. This side is AD. This is FE. This is IJ. This is HK. Here is GL. Down here is BC. Okay. This side is D. Here is D. Here is E. And this is J and K. IH, FG, AB. Okay, this share with DC, C on the back. Okay, C. So here it is. What plan is all about. Okay, from one object, three-dimensional object, which we can separate it to three parts, three viewing direction, Z, X, and Y. Okay, why this time use method number 2? Because we want to look at object on Y direction. Okay, on left direction. Okay, there are two sides, right and left. And this time we want to look at object on left direction. It's why it is suit to choose method number 2. Depend on question. Okay. Okay, everyone, do you got the same as mine? Okay, if you got the same, you can put a mark yourself. Okay, so if we check it, we check this, you have a guideline, is very good. Even this, we can see the arc there, the intersection of arc. So the idea is they know, you do it very precise, so there is a mark for that. And you have this line 45 degree with a right mathematics there. And then there will be mark for darken all the correct shape here. Okay, and there will be mark for the label. Okay, all the label. Okay, good. And there will be mark for the axis, Y and X axis correctly. Okay, okay, and there will be mark for the dimension. The dimension is correct, 5 centimeter, 7 centimeter, and so on. You know what? There will be so many marks for this. This is why it's very important to show the work. Okay, So it's supposed to be 7 marks if I'm not mistaken. 4, 5, 6. Another one is for the guideline, the guideline, the all the vertices being connected at the same point. Okay, very beautiful. Okay, this also reflected on the same and meet on the same points here. So another mark for you. See, if I'm not mistaken, there will be 7 marks for that, full marks. Okay, do you happy with this? Are you happy with your drawing?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Now we have another time. We have several time. I believe we can have another next one. Wow, this look complicated. Do you want to do this?
Ya, cikgu.
Ya, ya.
AB tu main daripada mana?
AB tu main daripada mana? AB kat mana? Ni ke?
Itu yang contoh tadi tu, kita buat tadi tu.
Yang mana?
AB, atas yang 45 darjah tu. Yang ketiga punya ni. AB tu main mana?
AB ni main mana?
AB tu. Dia daripada bentuk mana?
Daripada tengok ke belah tepi macam ni. Belah tepi ni. Kamu nampak ni? Bucu ni. Tu dia. AB tu. Betul lah. AB ni.
Okey.
Okey tengok belah sini maksudnya. Tengok belah sini. Ni kalau kat lukisan ni tengok belah sini. Jadi AB ni duduk paling bawah dan ke kanan sekali lah kan. AB itulah nampak lucu sini DC dekat belakang ni. Ni dekat sini belah kiri bawah DC Okey, boleh semua orang. Tak susah kot, senang je kan. Okey ibarat pemadam ni kan. Bentuk macam ni Okey, di AB ni yang sini bucu ni, nampak bucu ni. Jadi kita tengok arah ni maksudnya kita kalikan ke tu. Jadi ni bucu ni. Nampak tak? Tu pasal duduk macam tu bucu ni. Okey, bucu ni. Okey. Lukisan yang dia bagi macam ni lah kan, perspektif macam ni. Bentuk 3D Ni kalau kita tengok kot ni, inilah bucu ni bawah ni. Sini atas ni IH bucu atas ni. Okey, boleh
tak sama size dengan IH. AB tak sama. AB kan tak sama size dengan IH.
Tak sama size. Betul. AB tak sama size dengan IH kalau dilihat pada pandangan ini. Pandangan ini sudah ditunjukkan dekat sini. Nampak? AB tak sama size dengan IH, betul lah. Jika dilihat di sebelah tepi ni. Belah tepi ni. Tapi pasal kita melihat kat belah sini. Belah sini. Bila melihat belah sini, ibarat ni line I F A ni jadi satu line tegak. I F A ni jadi satu line tegak macam ni.
Okey.
Itulah dia. Keupayaan kamu imajinasi itu tujuan plans ni. Okey, boleh itu tujuan dia. Ada objek sini yang dia incline ni, tengok ni. Objek ni macam mana nak buat? Nampak benda ni? Besar sangat tadi. Cikgu jadikan ni lah. Macam mana bentuk objek tadi? Okey. Kita undi benda ni. Ini dipanggil apa? Cok keria. Kita nak buat bentuk macam tu. Letak. Okey. Bolehlah gagah. Kan? Maksudnya panjang tapak ni tak sama kan dengan panjang ni kan? Tapi bila tengok dalam bentuk ni, dia straight kan? Nampak tak? Dia straight. Nampak straight tu? Nampak? Dia tak nampak macam incline ni, satah incline ni. Macam apa? Macam melengkung kan? Dia nampak straight. Jadi bila kita lukis tu pasal jadi petak. Bila tengok kau ni nampak kotak macam biasa je kan? Bila kali kau ni, baru tahu. Rupanya dia melengkung sini. Okey? Kalau tengok kau ni pun sama, nampak kotak je. Kan? Tengok belah atas ni, nampak kotak juga. Kalau belah tengok belah ni je, belah front ni, baru nampak ni, condong. Macam tu lah, boleh bagus juga pasal sini. Kamu belilah satu buat buat bentuk-bentuk yang macam ni dia membantu imajinasi kamu. Okey, kita teruskan dengan nak buat ni. Yang ni ke atau yang ni? Yang satu ni ada lengkung, ni nak buat macam mana? Ni bentuk yang samalah, bentuk straight line je ni. Jadi ikut kamu nak buat mana? Buat yang mana? Nak buat semua? Buat ni dulu nak?
Boleh je.
Okey, semua orang. Kita ada berapa minit ni? Cuba boleh buat tak dalam masa 11 minit ni? Cuba buat ni, cepat-cepat. Okey, dengan dimensi yang betul. Okey, sama juga. Kita akan mulakan dengan kertas. Okey, kamu buat juga sama-sama. Tengok, kamu dengan cikgu siapa paling laju. Okey. Okey, macam biasa kita perlu set up dulu. Set up kertas dulu untuk mendapat Y and X axis. One horizontal line in the middle, one vertical line in the middle. Okay, like that. Mark one point up there according to the shadow of folding, one point down there. Okay, connect both with a darkened line, with a dark line, and so we'll have a vertical line. Okay, we're going to have 1 centimeter gap away from the axis. quickly do the same for left and right axis. Okay, this is elevation from Y side. Okay, this time right side. This is when we need the reflector to be on third quadrant. Okay, we need to construct line, separate it evenly. Okay, the dimension, okay, everything going to start at this point, this point. We're going to do Z. So the first point we're going to see is E. E to F is 3 centimeter. E to F is 3 centimeter. Okay, the same we're going to do the dimension on the end of the paper. Here it is, 3 centimeter up and 3 centimeter above, below and above. Here it is, 3 centimeter. Connect both lines to have a straight line, a light line. So here it is, 3 centimeter. And then E to U as like A to B, 6 centimeter. So we're going to do the same up and above, down and above, 6 centimeter. Centimeter, but you know what, let's do all the dimension that we have there. E to H is 1 centimeter. Okay, E to H is 1 centimeter. We mark 1 centimeter. H to M is also 1 centimeter. Next mark is 1 centimeter. M to P is also 1 centimeter. So M to P is also 1 centimeter. P to T is, or T to U is 1 centimeter. From 6 centimeter that we just made, okay, 1 centimeter here. Okay, like that, So we're going to do the same on the upside. Okay, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and then 6 centimeter, back to 5 centimeter. Okay, there it is. Now time to connect all the points with a lighter line with a light line. Okay. So now I have my very beautiful guideline. It will help much better, you'll see. And now we have this dimension, we have all the width on this dimension but not the height. The height of this object is what? 3 centimeter. C to U is 3 centimeter. Okay, we're going to measure 3 centimeter. And if you can see, G to J is 1 centimeter. So we got two kinds of height, 3 centimeter and 1 centimeter. So we're going to the same draw, mark the line 3 and 2 centimeter. Three, 2 centimeter. Okay, and so that's on the left side here, 3 and 2 centimeter, 3 and 2 centimeter. Okay, connect both line. So does this. Okay, done. Now on Y side, okay, all that we need is the width, the width, which it should come from this, 3 centimeter. Okay, but you know what? As I told you before, we're going to put a little cheat. We're going to measure manually 3 centimeter up and 3 centimeter down, just like that. So this will be the last guidance before we darken the area, the shape. Okay, as you can see, it's light emerged from here at this point. This line emerged to this line up there. Okay, now here is the time when we connect all the points. Okay, done. Done. Okay, up there is okay. You got the same, and on this side is very easy. Okay, And for this line, you know what? It is hidden. It is hidden on the back. If we look on this side, this line here, RQ here, and so this line JI and KL is hidden. So it's why we need, when the line is hidden, this is when you need a what? Putus, just like this. Okay. Another thing left for you is to put the label. You fill up all of them with the label of each point. So we have end. We have come to end. Until we meet again. Assalamualaikum.